Welcome to our Piping Engineering YouTube channel. We're thrilled to bring you educational videos about piping. First, we want to sincerely thank all our subscribers for their support in helping our channel grow. In today's video, you'll learn how to read piping isometric drawings and discover a simple method for bending wires. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button below to stay updated with all our latest videos. Now, let's dive into today's lesson. This is pipe isometric drawing. This is list of material for fabrication. In this drawing there are two separate pipe spools. This is first spool. This is second spool. Let's learn the materials which used in the pipeline. Detail number 1 was used in several places in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The item number 1, the quantity is 3 meters, 2 inches Schedule 80s, pipe ASM, Schedule 80S. The material is stainless steel. Detail number 2 was used in 3 places in the pipe drawing. The item number 2, the quantity is 3 pieces, 2 inches, Schedule 80S, elbow, 90 degree, long radius. The material is stainless steel. Detail number 3 was used in 1 place in the pipe drawing. The item number 3, the quantity is 1 piece, 2 inches, Schedule 80S, elbow, 45 degree, long radius. The material is stainless steel. Detail number 4 was used in 4 places in the pipe drawing. The item number 4, the quantity is 4 pieces, 2 inches, Schedule 80S, flanges, weld neck, raised face, class 150. The material is stainless steel, grade 316L. Every pipe drawing has such a sketch. This indicates the directions. By studying these directions, we can easily read the pipe isometry. There are 6 directions here. N means north. S means south. E means east. W means west. Up means up. Down means down directions. Let's try to read this pipe isometric using these directions. We will start reading the pipe isometric from this point because the direction of the arrow on the pipe drawing is in this direction. The pipe travels start from this point to the west direction. Then the pipe travel turns to the north direction. The pipe will move from this point first downward, then to the eastward, at an angle of 40 degrees. In this point, the pipe travels continue to the east direction. At last the pipe turns to the north direction and the correct reading of the pipe drawing is completed. An additional view is given in this part of the drawing related to the rotation of the flange holes. Section AA. This view is explained here. That is, in the view AA shows that the holes of the flange will rotate to the right by 1.3 millimeters. Now let's bend the wire of this pipe drawing. This is our wire, the sketch showing these directions. This is the pipe isometric drawing. With the help of this sketch, let's bend the wire of the pipeline. Since the pipeline is traveling to the west direction, we hold the wire in the west direction. Then the wire bending first to the north. Here, the wire will bend downward. Then it will bend eastward. At last, the wire will bend to the northward again. The wire bending for this pipeline is now complete. This educational video is coming to an end. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. By becoming a channel member, you'll be supporting our work and gaining access to exclusive perks. A big thank you in advance to everyone who leaves a comment or a like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.